Hello! This is Kerri Livengood, and thank you for taking a moment to learn about how you can improve your internal communication with Microsoft Teams. In this video, we will show you the different applications that are integrated with Teams and how you can use them. These apps include the Office 365 programs like Word and Excel, and other apps like Forms and Planner. There are also third-party applications that have different functions for any need that you have in Teams. There are many ways to add these integrations, and in this video, we will give you a quick introduction on how to start using them. In episode 7 of our Teams series, we showed you how to create new files in Teams. When you create a new file in Teams, this is one way of accessing the integrated Office applications. While in the Files tab of either a chat or a channel, you can click on the new icon and you will see different options for creating a Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or OneNote document by using the application in Teams. Click on the file you would like to create, name the document, and the program will open in Teams. You have the same tools and functions in the Teams integrated app as you would in the desktop application, so you do not need to switch between the two applications. Another way to add an integrated app is by clicking the Add button in either your chat or channel. This is adding a new tab to your chat or channel, and from here you can select any of the included Office 365 apps. When you click on some of the Office applications like Word and Excel, it will prompt you to choose a file in your chat or channel. This tab is creating a shortcut to a specific document so that you can access it quickly and easily. This is great for commonly shared documents so that your team can locate them with ease. Other applications like OneNote, Planner, or Wiki allow you to create a new document or upload a pre-existing one. For example, if you want to start using Planner in Teams, you can create a new plan through Teams, or you can upload a plan that has already been created. There are also third-party applications that you can use in Teams that range from creating surveys to sharing videos on YouTube. As referenced in episode 3 of our Teams series, a Teams champion should be selected from your staff to oversee that you are using Teams optimally. These third-party applications should be reviewed by your champion to see which of these apps best fits your team's workflow. Thank you for taking the time to learn how to integrate different apps with Teams. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us, and we will be happy to help.